Well, hello everyone. The snow is finally here. As you can see, the plants are finally dying back. It is fall. I'm not sure that these little plants are going to make it. That right there. Actually, I know they are not going to make it. But we have all these tomatoes. And as soon as they start blushing, I am picking them and taking them in to finish ripening in the house. My last little zucchinis. Then my little Tess tomatoes, teeny tiny. You can see how tiny those are. I have an eggplant right there. I have some radishes, those are doing really well. Some onions. We also have some lemon squash. Some more of those Tess cherries. Parsley. Spinach. Swiss chard. Those are really sweet. And some more lemon squash. And we have a raised bed here. And in here we have some Swiss chard. We have some dill. And we also have some spinach. I'm not sure if that spinach is going to make it. We have some over there, some right over there. The Swiss chard is doing really well. Those are some volunteer tomatoes. And back there, we have some volunteer melons. Then we have a sweet potato plant back there. I'm not sure if that's going to make it either. It's starting to get really cold. And that right there, that plant, I believe that's a zucchini. And that right there is, I know I have a label somewhere. Let's see if I can find it. Brussels sprouts. Yeah, that's Brussels sprouts right there. Yeah, so this raised bed is just random. And I have some garlic, and I'm going to put it in this bed once I'm ready to plant it. I'm going to wait a few days before it snows out here. I have a row of cauliflower in here. That right there, I don't know if that's going to make it. And that's the name of the cauliflower. There. And of course, we have the Swiss chard, the mash, and the spinach. I'm really enjoying the Swiss chard. It's really sweet. As for the greenhouse, let's see if I can show you what's going on in here. Alright, so as you can see, I have lots of tomatillos in here. And I'll just pan through so you can see the state of the greenhouse. Most of the stuff is gone. There's the last tomato. But still have some melons right there. And that's the Delice de la Table melons. I don't think those are going to make it, but we'll see. Like I've mentioned before, it's my first year, so I'm experimenting. I'm not killing anything. I'm just watching how things grow. I have random carrots all over the place. Let's see, what else can I show you in here? We have that random melon that I put in a bonnet because it got really, well, it got big and it looked like it was going to break off. So that was my remedy for it. And we'll see whether it ripens. It looks like it will. So I guess I can officially say all I have left in here is those tomatillos. So I'm going to clean up all these plants in here, and I'm just going to plant some spinach, lettuce, and probably some cabbage for the rest of the winter. And anything that looks like it's still growing, I will leave in the ground. Let's see. Okay, so we have some peas coming up right there. We have some more right there. And I believe those are golden beets right there. I need to get rid of that. That cabbage is done. And we have lots of leeks all over the place. And I did those at the beginning of summer, and I didn't think they were going to do anything, but there they are. Small leeks over there. And lots of carrots all over the place, so I'm going to let those do their thing. And other than that, I believe that's it. It's been a great season, and I've enjoyed learning, and I am definitely ready for next year. I have some ideas on what I want to do, what I want to plant, how I want to plant things in here. So we will see you on the next one. Bye, teenies.